These easy freezer burritos have honestly helped us save money and avoid eating out during busy weeks. Today I'm making simple make-ahead burritos for lunches and quick meals. They're inexpensive, easy to freeze, and really helpful when trying to cut food spending. I'm not making anything fancy here, just practical meals that save time and help reduce impulse spending. Using what we already have at home also keeps grocery costs lower. This is the part that makes busy days easier later. Having meals ready means we're less tempted to grab takeout. These freeze really well and reheat quickly for lunches or dinners. Even replacing a few takeout meals each week can make a noticeable difference when paying down debt or trying to save money. Let me know your favorite cheap make-ahead meal ideas in the comments, and please like and subscribe to this channel for more great content.